Hello everyone, this is a video on how to complete um, the second assignment for week 12, November 30th through December 4th. And this assignment is called Microscopic Blood Cell Analysis. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on this assignment. You can also click on View Assignment and it'll give you the instructions. And the instructions are to use your knowledge and descriptive writing skills to complete each part of the assignment. Okay. Then you're going to go ahead and click on the Google Doc page, and it's going to open something that looks like this. Okay, so this is the start of the assignment. The first thing that I want you to do is tell me what you already know about blood. As we were talking about in class, you guys have a world of knowledge, so I know you know at least one thing about blood. What is it made of? What does blood do? Why do we have blood? Um, what's the color of blood? How is blood transported throughout our body? What does blood transport throughout our body? All of these are answers that you could put into this first section here. Okay. So you could pause the video and write what you think right here. Next, we're going to talk about the next part of the assignment. So for step 2, you're going to view the 3 slides and provide an observation of each. So each slide, so this is the human blood cell, are going to have some different cells on them. Okay, and what I want you to do here, the main point of this assignment is to provide a really detailed description of each slide that you see. So the first thing you're going to want to do is tell me, did it come from a living organism? We did this one in class, and the answer was yes. Human cells do come from living organisms because humans are living. So then you would describe what you see here. And so in your observations for that slide of the human cells, you're going to think about color, you're going to think about shape, you're going to think about size, how many are present, and other features you might see here. So for this example, I wrote there are 2 types of cells in this slide. The first group of cells are light pink. They are spherical in shape and they are more abundant than the second group. The second group of cells are larger. They are circular in shape. They have a dark purple organelle inside the cell, and there are only 3 of them. So if I scroll back up here, I can look. We have the one type, there's more. There are more of these smaller circular ones, and there's only 3 of these larger ones, and they have a dark purple organelle inside them. Okay, so you're going to do the exact same thing for frog blood. You're going to give me a description. You're going to talk about how this shape is oval and it's more of an orange pink instead of a light pink. All of these cells are larger than the human blood cells, and they all have this dark purple organelle inside them. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and describe the fish blood cells. These look a lot different. They're different colors. There are 3 different cells in this slide here. You have the oval ones, you have the circular ones that I think kind of look like eyeballs, and you have these long skinny ones here. They're all blue in color. They have different shapes. They are, some of them are smaller than others. So you can write about all of this down here in your observation sections. Now, the last part is it says, answer the following questions based on the physical observations you made in each of the slides. Type your answer in each box. So you're going to give me 2 similarities between between all 3 cells and 2 differences. So we worked through this in class today. So 2 similarities, I'm going to give you one here. Each of the cells have a dark purple organelle inside of it. That's something that's the same. So if we look at all 3, we notice there's a dark purple organelle on this slide, there's one in these cells, and then there's one here in these 3 cells. Then you're going to describe two differences. So, kind of looking at them, we can tell they're different colors and they're different shapes. Um, excuse me. They're also different sizes. So, the three cells are different colors. The human cells are like pink, the frog cells are an orange pink, and the fish cells are a blue purple color. So, that's one idea. You do need to give me a second one for full credit. And then lastly, why do you think these features are the same? And why do you think these features are different? Here's an idea of some things that you can think about. So I hope this video helps you to complete this assignment. Thank you for your time.